Hello. Are you sleeping? Yes, she says, does that appeal to you? See you later.
Okay, let's go. You are such a spoiled brat. You want me to pet you while you eat? Okay, all right. Good girl. Good girl.
Bruno, are you looking at yourself in the mirror? What do you think? He said, that's one good looking cat I see. I think I've never looked better. Oh, no, you don't. You're not quite that tall. Okay.
I don't believe it. Are you kidding me? He found him. What are you doing? I don't believe it. And there he goes with the streets.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very.
You okay?
I'm so naughty, I don't know why the squirrels love me so. I descended from an oak, nuts to you, and that's no joke. I'm a nut, I'm a nut, I'm a nut, I'm a nut.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I think I'm losing my mind. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
link, get down the bowl. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana. What's this? Hop on. Quick, quick. Come on. Good girl.
Hey. Oh God. You're so pretty.
Spin you around? Ready? You hold on tight.
Straight, keep it straight.
Ready?
Being aerodynamic.
Really aerodynamic.
Babe, babe, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it! Do it.
Futter. Andere Futter. 5. Beide Pfoten. Beide. Super. Fein.